So hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So in this video we are going to talk about interview skills. How many skills we have to crack the interview, and how many interview skills? What are the interview skills? So we are going to talk in details how many skills are required to crack the interview and become the more fluent and more confident during the interview. So there are some most common interview skills which we have to learn and we have to keep with us to crack the interview and to go smoothly our interview. So we have to take and learn all these skills. So the first skill is communication skill, which is required in every interviews. You will, if you are applying the job, so you are watching and you are seeing in lots of JD job descriptions, communication skill. So this is a very important skill which is required in the interview, which we have to. So how the communication skills we can acquire? Just we can acquire by speaking, by practicing. What I am doing, just in the same way you can also acquire the communication skill. It's not going to come within a week or month. It will take for 1 month, 2 months, 5 months. Then gradually it will come within you. Just you are a good communicator. So communication skill is very important in every job. So you have to just learn and acquire this skill to crack the interview. And the second, which is very important, is confidence. Confidence, because if you know all the skills and you are just entered the cabin and there are 2 or 3 HRs or interviewer in front of you and they are asking the question, you know the answer very well, but you are not confident. You are feeling nervous. You are feeling hesitation. You are not going to give the correct answer. You will make mistakes. So just confidence will come by practicing. You can also practice in front of the camera to speak fluently, confidently, to speak confidently. So this was the second, which is very important, confidence. And third, which is active listening, because it's very important thing. If in the front of you the interviewer asking anything, you have to just listen. Active listening, it means you have to listen properly what they are asking and you have to just respond exact way. So this was the third thing, which is active listening. And the fourth thing, you can also say the body gesture, body language. You have to know the basic things about body language, how I have to enter in the cabin or to go in front of the HR, how I have to dress up, how I have to sit, and during the speaking, how my hands will move, my hands movement, eye contact, body gesture, facial expression, all these things we have to know about basic information. And you can also say the verbal and non-verbal communication. You know, I think you know the verbal communication. Verbal communication means I am talking with you all, I am speaking in front of you all. This is verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means what my body language, what my facial expression is saying. I am not saying anything, just I am sitting there. But if you are observing anything from my body, it's called non-verbal communication. It's called non-verbal communication. So this is also the important part on interview skills. So these are the main and important point, and you can also say the resume building. You have to know the basic knowledge how we can build a good resume. So these are the which skills which is very important to know before going to the interview. So I think this video will be valuable and informative for you all. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video. Thank you.